slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Chemist Amiri jeans from Felix Co. If you're new to the channel and like what you see, show some love, turn on notifications, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, follow your boy on Instagram at RV Stuff TV. With that out of the way, let's get right into it, guys. So these took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get here. I don't know which video is going to be uploaded first. I did a Palm Angels varsity jacket review as well. They came in the same package and they came both on the same day. So about a week and a half, 2 weeks, I believe with FedEx it was that they shipped. So pretty quick, no issues there. Trying to think of anything else. I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. These videos are just here for the sole purpose of educating you guys on what you're going to be spending your money on if that's the route you decide to go. So that's pretty much it with that. Let's get right into it. Here is the website information. So the website is velixco with 2 O's.com. Instagram at velixco_lux. WhatsApp's right there, and if you use the discount code IReviewVelixco, you can save yourself 7% site-wide on any order, so keep that in mind. Let me know if you guys have any other preferences on like what to review next from Velixco, and I'll try to take into consideration. This is the bag it came with, just so you're aware. Obviously these are size 38. I usually wear 36, 38, but I don't know, like I like ordering 38, and if they're too big I can taper them. I'd rather do that than ordering 36, and if they're really skinny fit, them just fitting weird. So that's it with that. But yeah, so that's the bag came in. Nothing crazy, just says Amiri on there, nothing else on the back. Just figured I'd show y'all anyways. Here are the jeans themselves. So we'll just start with the top and tags, that sort of stuff. So here you can see the button, kind of like the star button. Says Amiri underneath there. And it is kind of, for whatever reason, rusting, like tarnishing already. Just kind of a bummer. Just realizing that now in the light, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's just a button at the end of the day, but yeah, that's something. No, it is pre-tarnished. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I haven't looked into this collab. Chemist is apparently this brand in LA, so that's that. There's a Amiri tag, size 38. I don't know how well y'all be able to see that. Kind of looks like 35 or 33 from here. Then you got the Chemist embroidery there. This looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Size tags, as per usual on Amiri, should be here. So there's that. It says 38, number 320, whatever that means. And you know, dry clean only, blah blah blah. You know the deal. No tags on this side, don't think. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So for the rest of the jeans, pretty straightforward. They literally just have leather stars all over them. I know, it's so creative. Yeah, that's all they are. I was struggling to find a pair that I liked, and I was like, I like these. They're kind of out there, but you know, not too much, because the black doesn't clash. Like, it's black leather on black denim, so I mean, it's not too crazy unless you're out in the sun where you'll have stars all over your jeans and everyone will see it, and people will be like, oh my god, where'd you get those, blah 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 blah. So anyways, you know, pretty dope jeans nonetheless. First star starts here on the, this would be the left pocket when you wear them. You can see, so stitches is pretty clean all throughout, honestly, nothing crazy going on. You'll see some random distressing here and there as well, but you can see going down the whole leg, it's pretty clean on all the stars there. There's a little rip here at the knee, stars going all the way down to the bottom where the pant leg is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy. Same thing on this side, except you don't have a star here, obviously, because you got the little pocket, a little distressing. See that? And yeah, stars, same thing, go all the way down, all the way to the bottom. So yeah, that's that. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this video, quite frankly. You guys get the gist. These jeans aren't the, you know, most extravagant, crazy jeans in the world. Now that I'm realizing though, here buttoning it up, you got 3 other buttons instead of a zipper, so that's pretty neat, because usually a Miris, for people that have a Miris or UAs of them or whatever, you know, it's usually zipper, not button up. So yeah, flip the jeans over to the back here. Overall, actually I'm a fan of these. They look good, quality's on point, 99%. So yeah, first star here on the back, on the left, on the right here. Got the pocket here, same thing, pocket, got stars all over it, and you got the little Miri tag here as well. There's that. There we go. That's gonna get scratched the fuck up as you sit down. So sorry about the contrast and stuff, just because it's an all black product, it's kind of hard to focus and contrast. But same thing, I feel like there's not as many stars here. On the bottom of the left ends with bang has like 7 down there, between on your calf basically. Same thing for here, and then a little bit less on this side, star wise. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna take up too much of your guys' time with this review. Overall, am I happy with them? Yes, I am. I have yet to really be disappointed by Velix Co. I mean, overall, they're definitely like more of a pricier site for sure, but their quality is definitely there. Customer service is good as well. And they got a community, they got like a Discord and stuff you can join with other people that have ordered from there and stuff like that. So yeah, if you want the link to that, I don't know if it's on their website, or you can just contact them via WhatsApp and they'll give it to you. But that's pretty much it though, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay blessed, stay safe. More heat on the way, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.